What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be customizing the background screen on the 2017 STI. So you're going to want to start off by getting a little flash drive, kind of like this one I have here, and we're going to put the images on here and then transfer it to the car. So you're going to want to go over here and resize the photo. You can go to custom and you're going to want to do 1600 by 900. Mine's just at 898, I guess the way this photo is, but you can change it to 900 if you want. Then you're going to want to plug in your flash drive and you want to create a folder called image so that the car can recognize where to go to select these images. And you're going to put all your images that you want to upload to the car right in here. Now once that's all set, we're going to go ahead, move to the car and plug it in. Alright, so now that we're in the car, we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Plug it in right in there. Then we're going to turn the car in the on position. So now, I want to see if there's a way to change that star link from popping up.
Yeah, it's just annoying.
Yeah. We're going to go home. Then we're going to go to settings. General. We're going to go all the way down to customize screen off image. And now select the USB that we have plugged in. And we're going to copy from the USB that we have plugged in. Alright, so here are the images. So you select the ones that you want to copy over. So that's the one I'm going to be using. So I'll just go ahead and copy that one over. Copy time is about 1 minute, so yes. Alright, now that that's copied, we're going to go back and we're going to select the images, which is the one that I moved over, and it's this one. So that's, I guess, the current one that we have. This is the one I want to put back there. Would you like to set as screen off image? Yes, or okay. Alright guys, so now that it's all set up, you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to the screen off and whoa. What the f? Alright, now we're gonna go back. So now what we could do is, on this setting right here, we can just do screen off right here. And then pretty much while you're driving, that's gonna be on your screen. If you don't want the radio or anything else on there.
Oh wow, that's lit.
Yeah.
Do I have that?
Go home. And then another way to do it is you could just turn off, like pretty much hold this volume button here. And it'll eventually turn it off and go to your screen off button.
Oh wow, I didn't know that either. Cool.
So yeah, so that's it. So as you guys can see, it's a very simple process. Hope that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one.